So here we have the Zoeller M53 Mighty Mate Submersible Sump Pump. So this is 1/3 horsepower, and it turns on automatically with a float activated switch. This is a fully submersible pump. It's non-cloggy vortex impeller design, which can accept larger particles and probably chew them up. It's got the durable cast iron switch case, motor, and pump housing. So this is a well-built pump that's could take a little knock around. Now in my application, I'm buying this to replace a 15, possibly 20-year-old pump, which has been down for about a year, and it's time to replace it. But I'm actually going a little bit down inside because in all that time, the newer pumps are more efficient and the ease of installation also. So this fits what I need it for. I need to go 8 feet up and 25 feet across to outside the house. So this takes a 1.5-inch PVC pipe fitting. It comes in at 21 pounds. It can lift water 19.25 feet up. It's got a nice long plug to reach any outlet, 150 volts, and it could be battery powered. So after installation, it was pretty easy because I have an existing hole and pipe configuration, and I'm happy with the power. It's just what I need. It gives a nice warm hum while it's operating, and it does its job. And I believe I could get a nice, probably for my use, at least 10, maybe at least 15 years or possibly more, because I don't have to pump water all the time, only when the ground is saturated under the slab of the house. So that's my review. Thanks for watching. It's a great pump, and did I mention American made?